Leo is a fixed sign. Sagittarius is a mutable sign. Since neither of them was born under a cardinal sign of leadership, you'd think they'll sooner or later realize that there can never be a permanent winner between them in the competitive game of which one shall lead, which one shall follow, and give it up as a tiresome conflict that takes a lot of time they could otherwise spend doing a number of jolly things side by side, cooperatively, so that the competitive sparks between them are more likely to result in the refreshing sort of exhilaration than in envious resentment. If they enjoy competing so much, why not allow them to have fun? We might as well grant them our own and astrology's permission because these two will do just exactly as they please in the long run, anyways. Since both independent and prefer to learn through the experience of their own mistakes than to be counseled by well meaning people. Well, these two masculine signs entangle their temperaments, whether by choice in a friendship or love relationship, or by destiny's design as relatives within the family circle of business associates, forced into professional proximity. Outsiders who stand by and watch have nearly as much fun as the two participants themselves.